welcome back to the vlog. I am heading to the gym. It is like almost 8 p.m. and I haven't been yet, so really in desperate need because work has been crazy. Oh my gosh, let me fix this. Well, that lighting's bad. Let me back this back up. Work has been exhausting, but in a good way. I've taken on a lot of projects which are only furthering my career at Klarna, so it's really exciting, but I'm really exhausted. I've never like really felt this way after a job. Well, I don't know. It's a different feeling of exhaustion. It's like a mental drain. This actually really reminds me of when I used to lifeguard, because it's such like a mental drain that once you're done, you just don't even want to think or do anything, but your body's like ready to move. So just gonna go to the gym. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna move. And yeah, I don't know if I'll vlog. You guys probably want to see it, don't you? If I do vlog, it'll be on my phone because I don't really like taking this camera out and about, just because there's a screw that needs fixed and I don't want to like break it anymore. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the gym. Good morning, girl. Oops. It's time to get up. I've got a bodysuit from Zara on, a big sweater because it's only 21 degrees outside, and my Zara sweatpants too. Yeah, I'm about to go get some emails knocked out. Talk to you guys soon. Hi, vlog. Just got back from golfing. I didn't vlog it, but I went with my dad. And it was really fun. And now, girls, do you know where we're going? Bailey's still gone. It is, wait. Bailey, I need to turn this down all the way. Bailey is still gone. He'll be gone until Monday evening. So I'm taking the girls. Addie, Zoe, know where you're going? We'll go get ice cream from Dairy Queen. You go get ice cream? We'll get you guys some puppy cups. Okay, go back. I'm not gonna get any because I had graders last night. And yeah, so I'm gonna take these pups and we're gonna go spoil them. What do you guys think? You excited? They have no idea. Happy Easter, Bruno. Happy Easter, Winston. Fishy. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, Zoe. The gang's all here. What did we just find? We just finalized the colors of the interior and exterior of the house. I'll insert a picture, probably somewhere on the screen. And we picked the cabinet color, which is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't take a picture of it though, but you guys will see it once everything starts building. And then we picked a stove top that is like a gas, which I've never had, but I really want, so.
Yep.
And then, what else? Oh, we got one of them, the TV's mounted on the wall, like the cords aren't gonna be shown. So that's exciting. Our house is gonna be flipped compared to what we saw in the model, which would be kind of fun to see, like being built. The garage is on the left side. And then, yeah. I have a hard time picturing it though, so we'll just see. My arm's gonna be tired. We're going to Chipotle and then going to golf. So I'll see you guys around. Are you excited?
So excited.
You want to like say a little bit more? Like how excited? You were so excited before I pulled this out.
Yeah, you killed my vibe. Sorry.
He's very excited, everybody, so. I think he's just hungry, so.